3-bed, 2-bath, 1,896 square feet. 6,490 square foot lot. 345 South 52nd Street, Lincoln, Nebraska, 68510. Located in the heart of Midtown, close to shopping, schools, and parks, this mid-century ranch is updated and in A-plus move-in ready shape. Open kitchen/dining/living overlooks a fully privacy-fenced backyard. Upstairs bath with new onyx shower surround, new flooring, and vanity. New in 2021. AC, basement windows, patio door, deck, sprinkler system. W/H replaced in 2024.